Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. So today I decided I'm going to take some TikTok food trends and try them out. Alright, so we've been bored lately, and I've been watching a lot of TikTok. If you don't know what that is, basically it is an app for your phone where there's a bunch of very short clips where people do funny things or cooking things or whatever. A lot of life hacks / food hacks are on there. So I decided to take a few of those and try them out. The first one we're gonna do is called Sour Patch Grapes. If you don't know what that is, I'm gonna put a picture of a Sour Patch over here. Basically, it is a candy that is both sweet and sour, like a Sour Patch. Yeah, so for that, all you need is grapes and a lime. All right, so first you're gonna take the grapes and you are going to chop them in half. All right, so now they are chopped in half, and all you're supposed to do is just take a lime and squeeze it over everything. Seems pretty easy, pretty simple, so I'm not sure exactly how well it tastes, because limes and grapes do sound a little bit weird. That looks fine, right? So let's see what it tastes like. Make sure I got one that's covered in it. It tastes really good. That one I approve of. The sweetness of a grape, sourness of a lime. It tastes like candy. That's fantastic. Love it. All right, so the next one isn't as healthy as the first one. It is an Oreo brownie that you can make in 60 seconds in a mug. So basically you take some Oreos. I got the Oreo thins because I am trying to be a little bit healthier. And you are going to drop them in your mug like so. And milk. I'm using almond milk. I'm using vanilla almond milk to be exact. Well, vanilla's on there. You know, just pour a little in, they said. And then you're just going to break up and mash the Oreos. And apparently you can do this with any kind of cookie. I've seen people do it with chocolate chip cookies and other things like that. So if you have a healthier cookie at home that you can use, do that, because on the green Weight Watcher plan, this is 6 points for the cookie. But luckily the almond milk, the splash that we put in there is literally 0 points. Because like literally it's a splash. And you just want to keep going until it gets like a batter consistency. All right, so now we pop that in the microwave and I'll be right back. I wish smell-o-vision was a thing. This smells amazing. I know you can't really see too well in there, but all right, so I don't know how well you can see, but that it's kind of like a lava cake. Let's taste that. It totally has a cake consistency or a brownie consistency. This is fantastic. This is 6 points. It's not a lot of food for 6 points. I will say that. But I haven't eaten breakfast and I'm gonna have my grapes, and the next thing is hopefully gonna be really good too. All right, so for the next one, you are going to get some frozen blueberries. You could probably get fresh blueberries and just freeze them yourself. A bowl. I went ahead and put this in the freezer already. And again, some almond milk. All right, so you take the blueberries and you just put them in a bowl. Don't want to do too much, because this is all just gonna be for me, so hey, all right. And then you're supposed to just pour in milk. Again, I'm using almond milk, the vanilla almond milk at that, and it will start to crystallize. It's kind of hard to maneuver around. Aww. But look at that. It's starting already. So you're supposed to just let it sit for a second. And look at that. That looks really yummy. Let's try it. That tastes amazing. All right, so there we have it. 3 easy TikTok treats that I think are pretty good. This one is hands down my favorite. This is pretty good. The flavor is amazing, but since it is frozen, it is a little bit trickier to eat, but it looks really pretty and it does taste good. This tastes amazing, but I will say that I don't think it's worth 6 points. If you do have a healthier cookie, lower in calorie, lower in point cookie, then I would definitely recommend trying it that way. Then it would be worth the points because this tastes amazing, but there's not a lot in there for it to be worth the points. But the person that made that originally was not worried about health, and they actually filled up the cup with the cookies and then added the milk rather than just using 1 serving size like I did. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think if you guys want to try any of these out. Again, these are what I recommend the most because I actually love them. And I'm not a huge sweet sour person, but these were amazing. All right, thank you guys for watching. I will talk to you all later.